Chess, which originated in India as Chaduranga around the 6th century, has undergone significant evolution over time. India is the future of chess, and the future is now. Team India won gold for the first time, scoring double gold in Chess Olympiad 2024 by winning both the Open and Women's tournaments. Indian players claimed team and individual gold, as India dominated the event. Let's take a look at the championship summary. The Chess Olympiad is a massive team event for national federations that takes place every 2 years, where national chess federations compete for gold medals, trophies, and the title of strongest chess nation in the world. In the vibrant city of Budapest, the Hungarian capital, the 45th Chess Olympiad unfolded in September 2024 with the threads of strategy and fierce competition. The record-breaking 193 teams in the open section and 181 squads in the women's competition had gathered for the battle. Has India's time come in chess? And the simple answer is yes. India dominated the 2024 Olympiad. The Indian Open team won 10 matches and tied 1 to score 21 out of 22 match points, beating the previous high of 20 points. A total of 11 rounds were played in both the Open and Women's events, and each featured 4 players from one team facing other teams. India won the gold medal in both the Open and Women's events, which were the country's first overall victories at the Chess Olympiad, after they had previously won one bronze medal in the women's event in 2022. It's only 10 years since India achieved its first Olympiad medal, but now the Indian chess players have the world recognition and support most chess players could only dream of. It was the first time since 2018 that the same nation won the titles in both events, and India became the third nation to do so after the former Soviet Union and China. It's notable that for the first time in Chess Olympiad history, no European team made the podium of either the Open or Women's Chess Olympiads. This time Asian chess powerhouses, India, Uzbekistan, and Kazakhstan were joined by the United States. In the Open event, the Indian team set a new record by scoring 21 out of 22 possible match points and were the only unbeaten team in the tournament. Top Indian players, Gukesh Dommaraju, Arjun Erigaisi, R. Pragyananand, Vidit Gujrati and Harikrishna Pentala dominated the proceedings in the Open section. On the women's side, it was young players Divya Deshmukh and Avantika Agarwal did the heavy lifting, and along with Harika Dronavalli, Vaishali Ramesh Babu and Tanya Sachdev, ensured India's double delight. The All India Chess Federation, AICF, announced cash rewards for the Chess Olympiad winning Indian teams. Each member of the India men's and women's team will receive 25 lakh rupees, while the coaches, Abhijit Kunte and Srinath Narayanan, will be rewarded with 15 lakh rupees each. Following a trail blazed by former world champion Vishwanathan Anand, a generation of young Indian superstars confirmed what looks to be a tectonic shift in the game's balance of power. With young stars eyeing grandmaster titles and a new generation waiting in the wings, the future of Indian chess is in safe hands. So that's all from the 2024 Chess Olympiad, and we now have to wait another 2 years for the next edition.